Hello, welcome back. So in this lesson we are going to be covering the circular pattern, and to start, first we need to draw a hole on this face. So let's click on this face and click on sketch, and let's do normal 2, and now let's draw a line from here somewhere up there, something like that. Make the line coincident. It doesn't really matter, but I always like constraining everything, so make it coincident. Make sure the line is vertical, has a vertical relation. So now click on the line. Let's make it a construction line. Let's draw a circle from the center out, and let's make that circle 56 diameter, something like that. Make that also a construction. Let's draw another circle, and this time make sure the circle is coincident with this circle, something like that, and make the diameter of that circle 9.53. So now let's draw a line from here, from that point to the origin point. Make that line also construction line. Now you see why we use construction line. Sometimes you don't need the construction line to make the feature. You just need the construction line to place your sketch where it needs to be. So now let's add a dimension between this line and this angle, and that will be 45. So as you can see, now our sketch is fully defined. So now let's just extrude cut, and this time let's do through up to next. So when you do up to next, it only extrude it to the next, and click OK. So now we have our both holes. So what we want to do now is circular pattern that hole, so we don't have to do it 4 times. So let's go down, circular pattern. Now in the features, you have to select the diameter that you want to pattern this circle around. So your perimeter is, which is up here, you want to select a circular edge. For a circular pattern, you always want to select any circular edge. So I can select this edge, I can select that edge, I can select that edge, I can select that edge. It doesn't matter, any circular edge you want to select. So we'll select this edge, and that edge is there. Features that I want to pattern, I select this hole. I want equal spacing, and I want 4 holes, so which is something like that, and I will click OK. And that is how you do circular feature pattern in SolidWorks. Let me zoom in so you see it. And we are pretty much also, we are done with this valve. We just need to add one more thing and we pretty much be done with it. So let's click the drop down, chamfer, and let's make it 1 distance and 45, and we want to add it to this edge and that edge. So and we click OK. So let me section it so you see which edge we added it to. Going to zoom it this way, normal 2, I click the right plane, normal to the right plane, normal 2 again. So now you see we added the chamfer to this edge and this edge. Anyway, this valve is done. We are done with the body. Congratulations, you just designed your first model in SolidWorks. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye. Make sure you save your work too. Bye.